if you're on prescription drugs that impair your ability to drive? Are you still allowed to drive? Nope, you're not. In Canada, it is a criminal offense to drive while your ability to do so is impaired by a drug. It does not matter if it's a prescription drug. It does not matter if it's an over-the-counter drug. If you impair your ability to drive taking caffeine, that could still constitute a criminal offense because caffeine is a drug. Now, it would be incredibly difficult for the police to prove this because they have no validated method to test for caffeine impairment, but that doesn't make it not illegal. If you're taking prescription drugs and they have the potential to impair you, you should be having a very careful conversation with your doctor about your dosage and whether it is safe for you to drive. And you should keep good notes of that conversation and get copies of your medical records from your doctor to have available to you should you end up facing a drug-impaired driving charge. You would be useful for you to have a medical opinion that the amount that you take to manage the symptoms does not impair you in your ability to drive. We know with drugs comes tolerance, and some people can take a lot of a certain drug and not feel any effects or be impaired by it because the drug is treating something and it's needed for that. Whereas if a person who doesn't need the drug takes it, they could become significantly impaired by it. So it's not about dosage or necessarily the blood drug concentration for many prescription drugs. It's actually about whether it has the physical impact of impairment, and that's where that medical evidence from somebody who knows you best is important. So make sure if you're on any drug that has the potential to impair you in your ability to drive, you get good medical advice about it, and don't get behind the wheel until you're certain that you're taking a dose that puts you safely behind the wheel.